Today we are going to discuss all the examples of the phylum, the 11 phylums of the animal kingdom. So we know that in animal kingdom we have 7 class and phylum. So today in this video we will be discussing about all the 11 phylums. First of all, we have to know what are those phylums. The phylum Porifera, phylum Coelenterata nidaria, phylum Ctenophora, phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Aachelminthes, phylum Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. This all you have to remember in a serial way. Now let's go with the first phylum and we will read all the examples in one shot. Let's go. Here is our first phylum Porifera. Example: Sycon scypha, Spongilla freshwater sponge, Euspongia bath sponge. Phylum Coelenterata nidaria, polyp. The two basic body forms of the phylum Coelenterata: polyp, Hydra adamsia, Medusa aurelia or the jellyfish. Examples: 5 examples. Physicalia. I used to read like this: Physicalia, Portuguese man of war, Pennatula, sea pen, Gorgonia, sea fan, Meandrina, brain coral, then Adamsia, sea anemone. Let's go to phylum Ctenophora. Here is the third phylum, phylum Ctenophora. We are having the two examples, the Leurobrachia and the Tenoplana. Fourth, phylum Platyhelminthes, Taenia tapeworm, Fasciola liver fluke. Phylum Aachelminthes. We are having the 3 examples, the worms, Ascaris, the roundworm, Wuchereria, the filaria worm, and Xylostoma, the hookworm. So, phylum Coelenterata nidaria, I have forgot the one thing, metagenesis, that is the alternation of regeneration, in which the polyps and the medusae, which are the two basic body forms of the phylum Coelenterata. Polyps produce the medusae asexually, and the medusae form the polyp sexually. Example: Obelia. Annelida, the sixth phylum. Example: Nereis, which is an aquatic form. Phenretima, earthworm. Hydrodinidia, blood-sucking leech. Let's go to the seventh phylum, Arthropoda. It is of 4 types: vectors, living fossil, gregarious pest, economically important insects. Let's go to the vectors: Anopheles, Culex, and Aedes. These are the mosquitoes. Anopheles is a female mosquito. Living fossil: Limulus, king crab. Gregarious pest: Locusta, locust. Economically important insect: Apis, honeybee, bombic silkworm, last for lag insect. In the next page, we will be discussing about the phylum Mollusca, Hemichordata, and Echinodermata. Let's discuss the 8th phylum, the phylum Mollusca. We are having the 8 examples: Pillar, apple snail, sepia, cuttlefish, loligo squid, Dentalium tuscle, Pintada pearl oyster, octopus devilfish, Aplysia sea hare, Catopleura chiton. Let's go to the 9th phylum, Echinodermata. We are having the 5 examples: Asteria starfish, Echina sea urchin, Antedon sea lily, Cucumaria sea cucumber, Ophiura brittle star. You can take the screenshot by pausing the videos. So let's go to the last 2 phylums, the Hemichordata and the Chordata. Finally, we are at the 10th phylum, the Hemichordata. We are having the 2 examples, the Balanoglossus and the Saccoglossus. Class 11, phylum Chordata. We are having the 2 sub-branches, which is known as the Urochordata and the Cephalochordata, and these are commonly known as the Protochordates. In the Urochordata, Ascidia, Salpa, Doliolum, Cephalochordata, Branchiostoma, Amphioxus, or the Lanceolate. So, today in this video I have discussed all the 11 phylums, and in the next video I will be discussing about the class 7, class Cyclostomata, Chondricites, Osteocytes, Amphibia, Reptilia, apes, mammals. So till then, all the best.